Good day, everyone. So, I'm basically doing this for the sake of those who have a small account, particularly those who have asked me if they want to or if they can start with $100, which is one of the things at Quantum Automator we are trying to help a lot of traders with, in the sense that we want to ensure you can trade it with a minimum of $100 and maybe even 50, and you can still grow your capital provided you are not greedy. Please note my emphasis, provided you are not a very greedy trader. So if you are a greedy trader, this is clearly not for you. So right, the new update I'm going to drop today is around how to make the trading bot effective, and how you can start with a little capital and grow. So basically what I did was I over the weekend, I myself and the team, we were exploring different techniques and methods to ensure all of our users are making profit. So I believe it is not too late to start. So this is what I'm going to do. I'm just going to show the results of what we did with the bot and the manipulations we did around the input parameters of the bot. So the bot started with $100. As you can see right here, we have $100. Or maybe better still, I should show you the report. So the initial deposit was $100. So, and within the space of time that the bot traded, it made 253, and it's practically multiplied it by x 2.5, thereabouts. It made additional $250. So I believe if this is what if you are not greedy and you want to grow really, it's something that you can also explore as the time goes by. So basically, what are the settings? Now I only added one more feature. You can see the graph. It's not too even, but it's growing. It's not too even, but it's very, very, very profitable. At some point it was stable. You can see it was stable at some point. So there is no there's not too much drawdown, so you don't have to worry about maybe your account being blown or something. It's just very, very stable and whatnot. So what I did with the settings, in fact, this was one of the initial setup. Within a week, it did x2. It multiplied it by 2 of whatever you put in the bot. So basically, I strongly believe that if you are not greedy, like I said, you would make a lot of profit, and you'll be very, very profitable with this trading bot. So this is the result. You see, down to 353, which is great. For me, this is perfect. Not too much issues. So what did I do? In the settings, there is an option to add the trading hours. So, and because we are trading a very volatile pair, gold is a very volatile pair, and because of the volatility, you have to be smart. And so from my back testing, I found out there were particular times, or there were particular moments where the gold pair moved, and this particular bot works very well in a trending market, particularly if it is not too choppy. So what I did was a very simple thing, and I want everybody to do it. So I turned on a daily drawdown for this, and the daily drawdown was that on a $100 account, make the drawdown 10. I just want it to be $10. So I changed this through percentage force amount. I used the amount, I did not use the percentage. If I was going to use the amount, maybe I would just set it to maybe 10, since it's $100, but I want it to be $10 on a $100 account. So what I did was I set 10 to be the dollar account. So I didn't use the start time for daily reset, which I'm going to still explore, but I turned off the daily profit target. You can turn it on if you want. Maybe you want $5 per day or maybe $10 per day. But whatever daily target you are going to use, ensure it's more than the daily drawdown limits that you are using, so that you can have a good win to lose ratio. So that is that with this. So I turned off the daily profit, just hit the market, pull out many profit as you can. I'm talking about the bot now. Or you just take me out on $10 and I'm very good. So and then all the settings and the other parameters remain the same. I'm using 0.01 lot size. It's gold settings, 2 for gold, 3. So basically, and the major thing I did was the work hours. So I changed the bot to work 12 o'clock to 16 o'clock. Now that will be the time of the server. So it can be different for the time you are in, but I believe every server have a local time they follow. So the bot will only trade between 12 and 4 o'clock. So once it's 12 p.m., it begins to trade. So I won't turn it 24 hours. It won't be trading 24 hours. It will just work 12 to 16 o'clock. No, so basically that is that. And trailing stop through everything, leave all the remaining settings as it is. And I use the trend filter. I use the 8 indicator and 5-minute trend analysis and 20-minute trend strength. Now, if you change all this, if you change all of this, you can have different result. You can have a better result. You can have more excellent results. This is why we give out the bot, so that you can test on the demo account and be very comfortable. And if you did not test on the demo account and you go live on your own, you are on your own, because that is not the purpose of the bot. I explained on the group that the other day that the bot is a tool. So if you use it as a tool, you have to learn and master how it works. What I'm showing you is a result of what I did over the weekend with the team. We had to brainstorm, look into the hard code of the bot and whatnot. So basically, as it stands, I can tell people with the lower account that this is how you should go by now. Have a time that you allow the bot to trade. Now, interestingly, it may not work it may work differently for different people. Yours can be, maybe you can test it with 1 o'clock to 1 a.m. In the morning to maybe 4 a.m. in the morning, and you are done out of the market. If it works better for you, if it produces a better result, fine, all good. Where it's towards the same goal. So, and after this video, I'm also going to make a video of how to backtest. So if you want to backtest any bot, any trading bot, any trading software, there's a way you can backtest it to see what the result will look like in real life. So it's not too different. Many times it's even better in the real life. So basically, those are the 2 new settings. So I'll go over them. The time, add a time filter to it. You can leave these parameters as the default ones there, or the ones I sent to the group, or whatever one you're comfortable with. But have a time. The time would be would work. If you have a small account and you want to grow it, please stick to these things I'm giving you. All right. I think that will be that. So for the result, we funded with $100 and he moved it to $353, which is very okay. You make back the profit you put into the money you bought, your capital, you're comfortable, you're growing the account, and I think we are very, very good on that. So basically, whatever it is, if you have any question, let me know and I'll gladly attend to the questions. Thank you.